Okay, students, what does management accounting does to get insight into the balance sheet or profit and loss account or the financial statements? What all things it does? What are the tools or techniques of management accounting? Okay, the first technique of management accounting is financial planning. Now, what do you mean by financial planning? It is finance required to achieve its objective. That's what I have written over here. Determination of cash requirement to achieve the objective. What might be the objective? Can be it can be objective can be expansion of the company. It can be objective can be diversification of the company. What is diversification? If company is into steel, they can go for manufacture of aluminum and all those. Okay, they are going for diversification, or they can go into manufacturing of computers and various what Tata or Reliance are into. Okay, the objective can be purchasing of fixed assets. So what should be my cash? Okay, that is been done by what now? Management accounting. How they will find out cash requirement? By seeing the current assets or the fixed assets. Okay, that can be your financial planning. The next tool is what? Analysis of financial statement. I have jotted it down one or the other things over here with respect to 3 years. Okay, that is what 2001, okay, 2005 and 2010. Now this is with respect to what now? Balance sheet. Now in 2001 my current assets was 2 lakh. In 2005 it rose up to 4 lakhs. In 2010 it is rising up to what now, or increasing up to 8 lakhs. So this is a positive statement or a positive financial statement with respect to current assets. Now my fixed assets are increasing for 5 years, but it is decreasing for the next another 5 years. So this is how management accounting analyzes it. Analysis of financial statement. The next analysis I have done with respect to current liabilities. You can check my current liability is first increased and then suddenly decreased. So this is very good. Okay, lookout or a positive statement. Okay, then long term liabilities. Long term liabilities is what? 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs. So this is a negative statement. Okay, so it is giving a negative interpretation. This is how we do a analysis of financial statement, that is with respect to it will be a kind, it is a tool of one of the management accounting. The next one is tool of management accounting is budgetary control. What is budgetary control? Your parents will say, "Ha Baba, you can spend only 1000 rupees for this month." So what are they telling you? They are giving you the budget. In the same way, in a company also, there will be a budget first set or prepared in advance. Say for example, for this fixed assets purchase, the budget is what? 20 lakhs, but in actual they made it as what now? 30 lakhs. That is not a good sign, because they are crossing up the budget. In 2005 the fixed assets was purchase was 15 lakhs, but in actual it is 10 lakhs. So this is very good situation, because they have been decreasing with respect to their budget. But when we come down to expenses, you can just check, it is very good sign. 20 lakhs, in actual they have made it as expenses 15 lakhs. Very good sign. Then in 2005 15 lakhs, and again there is a good sign, that is what now? 10 lakhs. So this is what budgetary control, one of the tools of management accounting. The next tool is what? Fund flow analysis. In management accounting, fund flow analysis means what? How does a cash will come in and how does a cash will go out? The cash will come in form of sales, they will come in form of interest earned, or any other income for a company. How does cash will go out? It will go out in form of expenses, purchase of raw materials, or operating expenses. That is what? Day-to-day expenses. This is what? The tools of management accounting. It is one of the important question for you people, students. Please, okay, write it down or either go for this explanation also. Okay, thank you.